In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your profile on Threads. If you're taking a break from social media, deactivating your profile is a great way to step back without permanently deleting anything. Deactivation hides your profile and posts from others, and you can come back later by simply signing in again. I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it done safely and quickly. First, open the Threads app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to deactivate and that your app is up to date, since menu names and placements can shift slightly with updates. Next, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This takes you to your profile page where you can access all your account settings. If you manage more than one account, double check that you're on the correct profile before moving on. From your profile page, head to the top right and tap the two horizontal lines. This is the menu button, sometimes called the hamburger menu. It opens your settings and tools, including privacy and account controls. In the menu, tap Account. This section is where you manage core account options, including login details and profile status. Take a second to confirm you're in the right spot. You should see options related to your account's overall setup and management. Now tap Deactivate or Delete Profile. Don't worry, this screen gives you choices. Deleting is permanent and removes your data, while deactivating is temporary and hides your profile. Since we're focusing on a temporary break, you'll choose the deactivation option. Finally, tap Deactivate Profile. At this point, you may see a brief explanation of what deactivation means, and depending on your settings, you might be asked to confirm your choice. Read any prompts carefully so you know exactly what will happen. Once confirmed, your profile will no longer be visible to others, and your posts and interactions will be hidden until you return. A few quick tips before you wrap up. If you don't see these options, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If something looks different, try closing and reopening the app or check your internet connection. And remember to reactivate, just open Threads and sign in again. Your profile will come back as it was. That's it. You've now deactivated your Threads profile with just a few taps. Thanks for watching and take care.